Alright guys, so as you can see, I have acquired the matching engine for the Commodore Vanderbilt Red Comet. This is the Commodore Vanderbilt Lionel 264E in black. Now I did a lot of research online about this engine, and when it came out with the red one, the storyline goes, it depends on who you listen to and where you look, but from the Lionel pre-war book that I have, the story is that these trains in the black were often sold to department stores, and they were categorized as a DSS, Department Store Special, and they were sold in Macy's, Gimbel's, and other big stores. And sometimes just the engine, sometimes with various different sets. And one of the most common stores that this particular train was sold and distributed through, which I'm very happy to hear, was Sears and Roebuck. So this is really special to me, because that is definitely one of my favorite stores, and I love the history of Sears and Roebuck. Very special to me for many reasons. So it was sold in department stores, and it was a little bit lower key as far as being fancy, as opposed to the Red Comet. I'll show you some things that are a little different. Well, first off, it's missing a few items. This engine, it's missing. Let me show you. It's missing the nickel trim here. Okay. It's missing the Commodore Vanderbilt emblem. Doesn't have the emblem, and doesn't have the trim. Okay, those are minor things. It's also missing the front and rear wheels, which are the steering wheels in the front, and the trailer wheels in the back, which are both not necessary for it to run. Okay, and it's also missing the piston rods. As you see, the rods, they are moving. It's missing them. So needs a few parts, but it is in running condition. It needs a little bit of work, but it runs good. The reverse E-unit does stick a little bit. It needs to be cleaned, but once it's cleaned, it'll be fine. And so I'm going to show you the difference with the tenders. Now this Commodore Vanderbilt tender, let me flip it around the way it should be. Okay. Okay, this being the front. Okay. Now this one, as you know, you watch my video, this has the whistle. You see the emblem there? This is Commodore Vanderbilt. So as I said, in the department stores, they're a little bit, how should I say, a little bit low end. Okay. And didn't say Commodore Vanderbilt, just said Lionel lines. You can see this tender, although it's not banged up at all, it's in very poor cosmetic shape. Needs a good cleaning and painting. Okay, the other thing is, turn this around now. Okay, this one here, this had the ladder on the back, and this had the latch coupling. Okay, this one has the box coupling. So they came out with the box in 35, and but they still kept using the latch in 35 and 36. But then so both of them were available. This particular one has the so-called newer box coupler. So it's a couple little things that are different, but nothing major. Okay, this one has the ladder. That one's missing the ladder as well. But the biggest thing about this one is it doesn't have the whistle. Now it did have a whistle. You can see the holes in the roof, and also on the bottom, I don't want to take it off, but on the bottom you could see that it did have the pickup on the bottom, but it's missing. Okay, see the hole there? It's missing. Okay, so it doesn't have the pickup, and Lionel lines. You see the holes on the top. Also, this piece here was replaced. this little front shoulder here. See that red piece there? Obviously that was replaced. So someone has messed around with this tender a little bit, but it is the original tender, definitely. But it does need some cleaning up and maybe painting. But at any rate, we're going to hook it up now and give her a spin around, and you'll see her run. Sit tight.